Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the Mira airdrop. This particular airdrop is already confirmed. You can see this right here. The status says confirmed. And one good thing about this particular airdrop guys is that they've raised up to $9.85 million. You can see this right here from different companies up to about 15 companies, and this particular airdrop guys is going to cost us less than 14 minutes to participate in. All right, less than 14 minutes. The reward date is to be announced, but the status says confirmed. All right, now if you check out our channel guys, you're going to discover that we've once talked about a Mira project that is not this particular one. Let me just quickly check out our channel. You discover that over here guys, we talked about a Mira project. All right, you can see this particular video right here. We talked about a Mira project that is not this particular one we're talking about right now. So this is a bit different from the Mira project we once talked about. So all you have to do guys is just to make use of the link I placed in the description of this video and get started with this particular airdrop that is confirmed. All right, but before we proceed, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. And also need you guys to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Alright, so once you're done with that guys, just go ahead and check out the description box of this video. I'm going to find the links to get started. Now over here guys, you discover that we have 3 different portals to earn from this particular Mira airdrop, and as it stands now we have only 2 portals open. One is already closed. We have the waitlist still open. We have interaction with AI still open, and then we also have Mira Club debut quest. This is closed already. All right, this is closed already, so can't really do anything on this. This one right here started and ended in 2024 guys, and this other one started February 2025 and as well July 2025. So guys, just go ahead, check down the video description. You're going to find the links to these particular portals. All right, these remaining 2 portals. Then over here guys, you can see that Mira has launched a new product, Mira Verify, which uses a multi-model consensus to identify hallucinations and misinformation. You can enter your email address on the website to get early access to the product. So all we are interested in this particular waitlist is just to get early access to the product. All right, remember this started just this year, about July 2025. So once you click the link guys, you're going to find yourself in this particular site, this Mira Verify. So once you get over to this place guys, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just to come up here guys and add your Gmail. All right, once you add your Gmail, go ahead and click on this one that says join waitlist. You can see successfully joined, and that's just it guys, that's just it. And the next thing guys is just to check out the second link I placed in the description box of this video. That is this one that says interaction with AI. Now we're going to see the things we have to do in order to earn from this particular portal. All right, now this particular one that says interaction with AI, Clock is an AI app created with the Mira team. We can interact with the AI and earn 100 points for a day guys. Like every single day guys, you stand the chance of earning up to 100 points. And what do you do to earn this 100 points is just basically interaction with AI. All right, you can see interact with the AI and invite friends. You can write up to 10 messages every day and earn 10 Mira points for it. All right, remember that at the end of this whole process, these Mira points guys will be converted to airdrop. All right, and you can see the reward type we're earning is via points. All right, via points. So now if you click on the link I placed in the description box of this video, you're going to find yourself in this particular Clock site. So once you get here guys, you want to sign into this particular site, and to do that guys, you have 2 options. You can either go with your Gmail or you go with a wallet. All right, so I want to connect my wallet into this particular site. So all I have to do guys is just to click on this one that says connect wallet, and you have these options as a wallet you can connect. All right, I'll just go ahead and use my MetaMask to connect this. And the next thing I have to do guys is just to go ahead and click on this one that says connect here in my MetaMask wallet. Now once you get into this page guys, the next thing is just to go ahead and claim about 500 points just by verifying via Google login. So come up here and click on connect now. Now, once you're done with your email sign in, guys, the next thing is to get started with the interaction with AI. All right. And to do that, guys, all you have to do is just to first of all come up here and verify that you're a human. And once you're done with the verification, guys, all you need to do is just to come up here and ask AI any question, then you get to earn more. All right. So you can start with questions like this. And just by this simple question I asked AI right now, guys, to discover that my points just moved from 510 to from 500 to about 510. All right. I can decide to ask more questions like, in what year was Bitcoin created? Alright, you can see that my points now moved from 510 to about 520 right after asking the second question. Alright, so all you have to do, guys, is just to continuously come up here and ask this clock beta AI, ask it as many questions as possible and keep on increasing your points. Alright, during the listing of this particular airdrop, these points will be converted to your airdrop. Alright, and to boost up more of this your earnings, guys, all you need to do is just to go ahead and refer your friends. Come up here, click on something that says copy out your referral link and share it to your friends. Then your referral points will be reading right here, while the points you earn from chatting will as well be reading right here. All right, and this is just the two portals we have on this Mira network. If you follow these two portals, you'll be able to earn this particular airdrop, guys. I'll be bringing up more videos concerning this particular airdrop and the listing of this Mira airdrop. All you have to do, guys, is just to take this serious and do not sleep on this. All right, make use of the link I placed in the description box of this video and get started with this airdrop. It's basically the normal chat with AI, and you still get to earn airdrop points while chatting with AI. All right, so if you like videos like this, do well to give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. Then you also go ahead and subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell to all so you always get notifications of important videos like this. All right, if you have questions to ask, do well to put it down in the comment section and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.